Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Guide. This time, we will learn how to make a whole video using only CANVA. The video you just saw on the intro is the final product of it, and it only takes a couple of minutes to make. How awesome is that? Well, since the goal is clear, let's jump into it. So here we are on the homepage of canva.com. I've logged in with my free account. First, we have to click this to create a new video. There's this drop-down menu. We have to scroll down a bit to find a video option there. There you go, it's stated 1920 by 1080 by default for the dimension. New tab will appear. The workspace is quite simple here. There are three main parts. The first one is the screen itself, the blank canvas because we create it from scratch. The second one is the tool on the left, where we access all supply we need. The third one is the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. And on this area, there are new feature here where we gain more control of the timeline section, both videos and audio. We'll learn about that later. More detail of it, this is where we put the title or name of the file or project. This is the total duration of the clips we will make. It's stated 5 seconds by default. Let's say we want to make an intro video. Canva provides some free stuff for us. We can find it on this left panel. I want to search for a video, so I click this video tab here. But if you can't find it, you can check this more button to show other extra stuff which might be needed. You can see, it's more from Canva here. So when you click, it's obviously will appear on the panel side. So, back to the video. I'm gonna search for a nature video here. Look what we got for free. I'll take this one by clicking it once. Then once it's applied, right-click right on the picture and we choose Set Video as background. As you can see, the timeline now is updated too. It shows the new duration as long as this one video duration. Now let's say we want to make the video shorter. It's so simple. We can just drag the video to trim it from front or end. It's done. Move to the second video, we skim a bit. I can't choose this because this one is a pro. There's this label, we will look around a bit. The zebra video here is free. I'll take that one and drag it right on top of the plus sign here. You can see that the timeline looks full because this video is quite long. I'll give you more examples if we add another video. It's too long for the timeline and for our screen. We have to scroll to find the rear end. So instead of scrolling things right and left, we can just scale the timeline based on our needs. We can get it done simply by clicking or changing the scale mode. From the screen size to the timeline size. When the icon shows the screen, it means the scale controls the screen and you can zoom it in or out. But once you click it, it controls the timeline size. You can stretch it to make it longer or you can drag it to make it shorter to gain more control of this. Moving the toggle to make it longer or shorter. I'll make it until the whole video is only half of the screen. Now, I want to make each video is only 1.5 seconds length. Hopefully to make the rapid transition effect. Okay, so when I'm done, it's a bit tight to control the video. So I'm going to stretch the timeline size to make it larger. That's about right. Then I will make more adjustment a bit. I'm gonna fast forward the process. We can move the order of each video as we like. Next step, we will add audio here. We click the audio library tab. Let's choose from this recent thing I used. We will use this from the top. We drag it down or you can just click it. Bam, it's applied. Same as before, we can drag the audio file length. We can trim it as we like. You can choose which part of the audio you want to use by double-clicking it. It will somehow enter inside the music timeline. And you can drag the song to fit your need while the range of the audio won't change. Next, add another audio. Let's pick this and by dragging and dropping it, it will automatically create a new audio layer below it. The unique thing about this, when the second audio length is shorter than the video gap, it will merge the layer to keep the timeline size simple. But once you drag past the first audio, it will split the layer again. It's convenient because it won't delete the intersecting part of the audio. Now I want to have the audio match the video length, so you can see when I trim it, it snaps to the video above. We use only the blue one, so I will delete the purple audio. Let me fast forward this because it's just setting the right length. I think this is enough. We want to add some text. Click the text tool here, it will show us the pre-template font type and size. Now what's important about this, the text duration is based on the clip the text merged to. So if I have 5 different clips here, each own clip can have different text. Let's search title on the search bar to find the preset group. Once we find it, we can drag it. As I said before, the text length is just this one video clip length and separated with the other. Let me speed things up a bit. Now, we animate this so it looks interesting. We choose the text we want to animate, click Animate button, then the left toolbar change to a list of animations. You can choose whichever you like. Done. Now we go to the next one, we want to add another text. Just whatever. Again, we choose the animation as we like. You can go into the group and give each text different animation. Yep, that's about enough. Next thing is the video transition. We can set up the transition by clicking in the middle of 2 videos. Right on the center, and a transition panel will show up. We can see the effect by hovering the mouse like that. There are some options we can set here such as the duration and direction. I will set this up a bit to fit my will. Trying things out, and when we like one transition, of course we want to apply it to all slides, you can click those buttons below to apply it. It's done. Now let's see the preview of what we made. It's all pretty good for such amount of time we spend to make it. I will rework this a bit, I'm going to fast forward it for you. I think it's ready, just readjusting thing for a minute. There we go, the final play. That's it. What do you think? You can comment below. If you want to have more elements, you can go to this toolbar and try something too. For example, maybe you want to have some circle graphic or maybe to animate into your logo or something. You can play it here and try things out. Once you are done, you can download your work as MP4 or whatever format. It will be sectioned from each video clip. But don't worry because it will be downloaded as a whole. Thank you for watching till the end, I really hope you learned something. Tell me about your feeling about this video or some info or ideas. I'll catch up with you. Thanks. Like if you like, it really helps me. Please consider subscribe too. Enjoy.